Hello everybody and welcome back to Mr. B channel. In this video I'm gonna try do some gaming on my Linux on DeX. One of my viewers suggested to download Zero AD. It's a strategy game on Linux, free open source strategy game on Linux, and let's see how it goes. How it performs. Well, I already done installation. Pretty much what I did is just went to a software center and I searched for Zero AD. And to be honest, Zero AD was one of the first results. So when I clicked on that and marked for installation, Software Center pre-selected all what it needs and installed, and all you go and ready to go. Game do not appear under games list. The game actually ends up in the user file. There is a folder called user. It appears in a user folder. There is another folder called games, and inside that there is a actual game. So if I go to my computer, what I think my computer is like it's a folder on Linux and DeX, and inside USR there is a folder called game, and this is the file that I need to run. Well, I assumed this is the file I need to run, so I just clicked open with them, and it gave me a bunch of errors. I'm like, okay, I'm not a Linux expert, pretty much I'm a Linux noob, so I don't know what all this means. So randomly I start clicking on all these files, and what I found out, if I run pyrogenes, run that, Zero AD starts, and I'm running Zero AD game on my Linux and DeX. So let's see how it goes. So let's see how it performs. Let me quickly check if I got max volume. Yes, I do. So it's running in a window mode, and there is a reason why. As you see, hopefully you can see by here, it says FPS 7 frames per second. Guess what was the frames per second when this was running a full screen mode? Come on, your guesses. Well, talk between each other. Yeah, talk among yourselves and give me an answer. Yes, you are correct. It's 3 frames per second when it was running in a full screen mode. So what I did, I went to tools and options. Under options, I pretty much deselected everything that in some way represents the graphics, and that's what I left with. So I have a real-time overlay of FPS counter, that's the thingy, and window mode and background pause and everything low limit, VSync. Oh my god, let me turn VSync on. I don't know if that's gonna do anything to, pretty much it's a bad, but still we're gonna try to play this game. So I'm just gonna try to move this out of the way of the camera just to make sure that, well, let's see how it performs. So single player, campaign, match, campaign. Let's do campaign, because I never played this game, so I have no clue what they're supposed to do, and campaign gives me nothing, not yet implemented. Matches. So this is me, random, and AI Petra bot. Okay, difficulty. You know what? let's do very easy, because like I said, I don't know what the hell is that. So tutorial AI Petra bot. That's fine. Click OK. Civilization. Athens, Britons. Let's do random. Oh, actually no. I'm gonna go for. This is Sparta. Okay, so start the game. Just if you're wondering, FPS is 5, so it's not 30 FPS, it's not 60 FPS, it's not 10 FPS, it's 5 FPS. So it's running pretty much slowish on my Linux and DeX. So on my Note 9, which runs Linux and DeX. So don't know if this actually game will proceed or will crash. I mean, this is the first time I'm running it. I installed it, I checked if it's actually able to open, and then I decided to record the video. Otherwise, it just feels it's a bit of waste of time, for my time and especially your time, where I'm just recording video of something that you think, oh, the guy is gonna play Zero AD on the Linux and DeX, and then 20 minutes later I'm saying, oh, sorry guys, this don't want to work. Okay, it's actually stop loading. Oh, okay, we have a map. We are in action. So FPS is free. Oh my god, I'm just using a mouse wheel to zoom in and out, and Oh my god, the speed. It's very bad. So this is what I can. What's this? Spartan woman. Okay, this is my. Okay. This I believe is build. Okay. All right. Let's try. Jesus Christ, it's so slow. Well, it's running. But would you play this? Oh my goodness. It's slow. It is slow. I mean, constantly. This game is running constantly at 3 FPS. So, I don't know how long I would actually try to play this game with this kind of speed. I don't know what I'm doing. I can't see what I'm doing. Oh my god, look, it's a... Can I actually use a key? Oh, keyboard, right. Okay, so keyboard, technically. Okay. Right, so can I select all these dudes and mark as a group 1? Yes, come here, guys. Okay, so how to move in the map without the freaking... So arrows. So these dudes or women right now chopping the rock. Can I build a bit more? Okay, inspiration aura. Nearby males work. Nearby males work 10% faster. Okay. An actual, hold on. Spartan women actually went and started chopping the rocks. Anyway, I'm drifting away. I mean, it runs at 3 FPS. What do you expect? What do you expect? What do you expect from this game when it runs at 3 FPS? I mean, like, it's super slow. 3 frames per second. At least it's working. At least it's running. At least it's working. So, dear Victor, here you go. This is answer to you. Yes, the game runs on the Linux Deck Station, but it's a miles away from actually being playable. It's a miles away from actually being playable because, come on, 3 FPS. I'll die, but I can't react properly. I mean, react properly. They're gonna start attacking me. Imagine this AIs right now. I set up too hard, or like super god mode, and you're just trying to win against it, and it's technically you have no chance at all. So here we are. This is a 0 AD game running very slow on my Linux and Dex. Victor, thank you very much for suggesting this game. If you have something that you want me to try on Linux and Dex, just do what Victor done. He obviously, I hope he subscribed to my channel, but he left a comment below one of my videos and said, oh, can you install 0ND on this goddamn thing? And I did. But sadly, it's not working properly. Well, it's working, but it's not playable. So if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll come back to you with a video as soon as I can. Thank you, and goodbye.